When you practice a challenging phrase like this, it's not enough to just play through it 2 to 3 times and then call it a day. This way of practicing will leave you most likely frustrated, doubting your talent, and wondering if you will ever get it right. I often see that what students are lacking is not talent but the right practicing strategies. It's really important to practice the right way, otherwise you're just wasting a lot of precious time. So let me show you in this video 4 proven steps that will help you master difficult phrases. The first important step is to divide the phrase into smaller, manageable chunks. This will make it much easier for you to focus on the difficult spots. Our example phrase we can divide like this. By far, the most important part is to not only know the right notes, but to fully internalize them and to get them under your fingers so you don't have to think about them at all anymore. Think, for example, about driving a car. If you would have to think about every single movement you're making with your feet, with the wheel and everything, you would not get very far. It's all about automatically being able to do the things you're supposed to do, and we get there through repetition. Let's take the first section of the phrase and start repeating it. Not only 2 to 3 times, but many times. You could, for example, set a timer to 2 minutes and for these 2 minutes just play the first section on a loop. You could probably notice that I don't go for speed at all at this point. I played the section very slowly and made sure that I got all the notes right. Simply repeating the section endlessly is not the most efficient way to learn though. Our brains just naturally get bored quite quickly and won't pay full attention anymore. So after repeating the phrase for a while, we should start to vary it. You can vary the notes any way you want, rhythmically, dynamically. You can even try to play the section from right to left. All of this will help you to get the notes under your fingers. Let me show you a few examples. After you've practiced each section extensively, as I showed you in the steps before, it's time to put the phrase back together again. What I usually like to do is start with the last section and, as a goal, play it 5 times in a row without any mistake. If I make a mistake in one of the 5 repetitions, I have to start from the beginning again. After that, I add the second last section. So I play the second last section together with the very last section with the goal of playing it 5 times in a row without any mistake. Then I add the second section, and at last the first section. This is a great way for yourself to test if you've practiced each section enough already. I can guarantee you that practicing like this will make a huge difference for your development. You should just know that usually it's not enough to do these 4 steps one practice session only. You should repeat this at least for 3 to 7 days. You will be most likely really surprised how fluently you're able to play some phrases that were previously out of reach for you. The key to all of this is really to be patient, start really slow, and understand that the goal is to internalize the phrase so much that you don't have to think about it at all anymore. I hope this video will help you on your way to getting better at playing difficult phrases, and if you want to learn more about how to develop fast finger technique on saxophone, make sure to check out this video next. Thanks for watching and see you next time.